Lead nurturing is about forming connections with potential customers so they choose your business when they're ready. Traditional lead generation isn't as effective anymore. Customers want help, not just sales. Lead nurturing builds relationships during the buyer's journey by listening to needs, providing info, and creating trust for better connections and brand awareness. It also anticipates needs, solves problems, and guides buyers toward a purchase. Here's how lead nurturing works. The initial step involves lead scoring, where sales and marketing teams collaborate to identify potential customers and assign scores based on research and past experiences. Content marketing is integral to lead nurturing as it entails creating and sharing valuable content in various forms such as emails, articles, podcasts, and videos. Its primary objective is to educate leads about solutions for their needs. To effectively nurture leads, companies often use marketing automation software. This technology automates message distribution across channels, delivering timely, relevant content for effective marketing alignment. The goal of lead nurturing is to drive purchases by prompting leads to respond to calls to action. After conversion, the campaign's effectiveness is evaluated by measuring engagement, lead progression, and conversion rates. This ongoing evaluation helps companies refine their lead nurturing strategies. Lead nurturing is crucial as it builds trust, reduces costs, and increases sales by introducing your company to new leads and demonstrating your ability to address their needs effectively. It's a cost-effective approach that nurtures hot leads, resulting in higher conversion rates and more sales opportunities. Start nurturing your leads today and watch your business thrive. To learn more, visit outsourceaccelerator.com.